there, my fellow Indians. Welcome to News Hamster. So, what good things happened in the year 2020? No, wait. That was not a clickbait. I will tell you. But first, watch our logo reveal. Just when we thought COVID-19 would leave us and Achhe Din will be here, the virus mutated. Several new strains were found across countries like UK, Japan, Nigeria, etc. So what is the meaning of this mutation? Mutation simply means a difference in the biological makeup of the virus, which makes it stronger or weaker. But when it comes to COVID-19, the virus has become more stronger. 17 differences have been seen and it has made 70% stronger to spread across people. See, virus was having peer pressure, okay? People are not worried only how much ever it is doing, and why should we be worried? We survived the mutation of TikTok into Instagram Reels and then to MX Takatak. We'll survive this also. Jokes apart, ladies and gentlemen, let us discuss some important and good things that happened in the year 2020 in India. Firstly, though our economy plummeted, though we entered a technical recession, some industries seemed to boom. I'm talking about the masks and the PPE kits industry. When COVID struck India in the month of January, we were completely dependent on imports for PPE kits and masks. But later, as time progressed, we became self-sufficient. This is a story you need to know. When the scenario worsened across the country, the exports and imports from across the world were restricted. In the month of March, Niti Aayog estimated that we would be needing 20 million PPE kits and 40 million N95 masks, which meant that we should produce 2 lakh PPE kits and 4 lakh masks per day. Guess what? India did it. With Government of India playing a crucial role with the input of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and Ministry of Technology, and by also roping in various stakeholders, we started to manufacture these equipment. On March 24th, the same day, the nationwide lockdown was declared, Operation PPE Coverall was launched, and we started to manufacture the products keeping in mind the WHO norms for the same. And by 12th of May, from zero capacity, India went to manufacture 2 lakh units of PPE kits and 2 lakh units of N95 masks every day. With this, we not just exceeded the domestic demand, but also started to export these items.
Wow, Modi ji, wow, wow, wow.
The second most beautiful thing that happened was nature was healed. Animals were out in the open. We could see the pictures of Shivaliks from Jalandhar, Punjab. We saw several animals roaming outside freely while people were hidden inside. Previously when the government and civil society organizations said, yeah, let's do something for the nature, people went, nature only know we can do it. But now nature went, oh, people only know it's okay, let them stay inside. Carbon emissions dropped, pollution levels dropped, especially in the National Capital Territory and across the world. And due to no pollution, real nature of some people could be seen.
आप बैठे हो ना तो आपको लगता है कि दुनिया आपकी मुट्ठी में है। क्या पाकिस्तान, क्या चीन, सब कुछ आपके सामने सिफर है, क्योंकि राफेल के कॉकपिट का जो मजा है उसका अंदाजा ही अलग।
An old undated video of Rhea Chakraborty, which has now gone viral, where she can be heard boasting about being able to control her boyfriend with ease, calling herself the real Dawn, with her boyfriend being her छोटा-मोटा गुंडा। तो क्या रिया सुशांत से मोहब्बत नहीं की? क्या रिया ने सुशांत के साथ सिर्फ प्यार करना था? खोल दूं पोल मैं, खोल दूं सबकी पोल, खोल दूं मैं। हम सच्चा समाचार दिखाने आए हैं, हम जन सेवा करने आए हैं।
ओ फक मदर चोद।
Bro, this is a good thing. Indian media got exposed for the kind of reporting they did. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, our health system got widely exposed. We realized that we spend less than 2% of our GDP on the health system. The OECD data reported that we have 0.53 beds per 1,000 population. That's not even one bed. Apart from this, the WHO recommends a ratio of 1 government doctor per 1,000 patients, and in India, there is 1 government doctor per 10,100 patients. It was exposed that there is a huge shortage of over 50,000 doctors and 2 million nurses in India. With this workforce and private hospitals charging exorbitant amount of money, we are still fighting COVID-19. But tell you what, heroes got a new definition. Our doctors, our nurses, our paramedics, police personnel, armed forces personnel were all our heroes. Talking about health, popular actor Sushant Singh Rajput ended his life. That's not a good thing, but then what resulted after that was a good thing.
लड़की बोलती है ड्रग दो ड्रग दो ड्रग दो ड्रग दो ड्रग दो मुझे ड्रग दो मुझे ड्रग्स दो वो कहती है मुझे ड्रग दो मेरे लिए गांजा लाओ चरस लाओ एमडीएमए लाओ एक्सक्यूसी लाओ अरे वहां पे प्रमाण है उसके पास अरे ड्रगी कौन है मुझे ड्रग्स दो ड्रग्स दो ड्रग्स दो ड्रग्स दो मुझे ड्रग्स दो गांजा लाओ चरस लाओ एमडीएमए लाओ मुझे ड्रग्स दो
No, not this. I am talking about how mental health became a movement. People started to talk about it. It came out in the mainstream. Of course, the lockdown and the pressure added by the lockdown gave prime importance to the mental health awareness, to talk about mental health, various things that come with it, so on and so forth. A lot of people's Instagram bio changed to DM me for conversation, except hers.
ये दीपिका पादुकोण जो है वो अचानक से 2015-16 में कहती हैं कि 2008 में मुझे डंप किया गया था तो मुझे उसका डिप्रेशन आज हो गया है 8 सालों बाद। उसके बाद में बीच में उनके अफेयर भी चल रहे हैं, वो अच्छे से काम भी कर रही हैं, वो बाहर जाके सजती सवरती भी हैं, सब कुछ होता है, शादी भी हो रही है, पर डिप्रेशन साथ साथ में है। ऐसा कैसा डिप्रेशन होता है जो कि 8 साल बाद होता है? और फिर जब वो होता है तो उसके साथ में, बिकॉज आई नो पीपल स्ट्रगलिंग विद मेंटल इलनेस, a huge part of their life goes completely dysfunctional, and it is arguable that can they really ever tap into their full potential as professionals and as in their personal life is arguable, and most will say that they can't. यहाँ जी इनको डिप्रेशन हुआ है, एक ऐसा डिप्रेशन हुआ है जो 8 साल के पहले के ब्रेकअप का अब होता है और उनका वो बिजनेस बना के बैठी हुई है।
Yes, I think that's one of the biggest achievements of 2020, where people actually realize there's something called as mental health that can have an effect on your physical health, and that has a lot of importance for us and our survival. Well, in 2020, we also saw the resurgence of one of the biggest movements called as the Black Lives Matter movement. The killing of an Afro-American journalist, George Floyd, sparked this movement across the world, and yes, it did spread to India also. In India, people went hashtag Dalit Lives Matter, and then they were like hashtag Muslim Lives Matter, and then they were like hashtag Adivasi Lives Matter. At one point they got annoyed with the diversity. They said all lives matter, fuck it, all lives, peace. Yes, wearing mask is a new normal. Earlier, if you would wear a mask, people would go, I think he has TB or something, he's wearing a mask. And now if you don't wear a mask, people go, sir, mask kapadi sir, yen ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ sir, mask kapadi sir. Apart from this, work from home is a new normal, which we wouldn't do earlier. It's great, but it has its own disadvantages. For example, yeah, all set, okay, rolling camera. And in 2020, entertainment industry got a push. The OTT platforms especially got a push, and people of the country realized the value of OTT platforms. The OTT platforms also provided space for some brilliant actors to show their talent. For example, Abhishek Bachchan. Am I the only one who thinks Abhishek Bachchan is an amazing actor and OTT gave him the right space? Write to me in the comment section. Did you know that you cannot exactly say that the whole world is suffering from the pandemic? Because there are several countries in the world that have not reported even a single case of pandemic. For example, North Korea. Apart from that, Tajikistan, Tonga, Micronesia, Samoa, Comoros Islands, so on and so forth. Yes, 2020 was indeed a great year for me and for you. It taught us love, it taught us humanity, it taught us gratitude, it taught us how to live with a ray of hope that एक दिन vaccine जरूर आएगा और हम इससे बाहर जरूर निकलेंगे. Apart from this, 2020 widely exposed us to the class differences that are existent in our society. Well, one segment of population started to learn new skills in the lockdown. Another segment of population struggled to make two ends meet. We should understand that 2020 gave us an ample space to restructure our growth and development, where we can prioritize environment and ecology. Yes, government has to push forward in such a way that our economy grows, not just a normal growth but a green growth, where we are also providing enough attention to aspects like climate change, environment, so on and so forth. And yes, we have stepped into 2021 with a lot of hope. Let's hope our GDP figures rise. Let's hope the Indian civilization rises to greater heights. And let's hope that we have great growth and development in the nation. Wishing you all a very happy new year, a very happy 2021. Hope your all dreams come true. Until next time, stay safe. Jai Hind.